Hello everyone, and welcome to your first interview problem for the tree section of the course. This one's called Binary Search Tree Check. The problem statement's actually quite simple. All it is given a binary tree, check whether it's a binary search tree or not. So again, you can refer to your lectures or even just a quick Google search on what the difference between a binary tree and a binary search tree is. As far as this solution, there's no actual test or solution cell in the interview problem notebook, and that's because of the nature of the question. Having a testing cell would basically give away the answer. In this case, just worry about your code making sense logically. A quick hint, you may want to think about tree traversals and how that would be affected if it was a binary search tree or not. You can go ahead and fill out your solution below. One quick note, this is a classic interview problem, so feel free to just Google search validate BST for more information on this problem after you've had a go at it. And one more thing I wanted to point out is just when you're writing your function, as far as how to go about essentially simulating the tree, you can just, if I hop over to a Jupyter Notebook, do something like this. You can say def your solution, and let's say it takes in a tree. As far as logically speaking, you can just do assumptions like this, tree dot right child, or whatever you want to call it to say what the right branch of that subtree is. So you can say dot right, etc., tree dot left, and then tree dot value or val, etc. So the reason why I'm not being very specific on how I want you to format the input of your solution is because in an interview setting, they're going to basically expect you to almost pseudocode this out, but with the right syntax. So they're not usually going to give you a complete structure for what the tree looks like or how to check the nodes. You can just go ahead and assume on your own the various methods you would be able to call off that tree. And you can go ahead and look back at the implementation lectures to see what methods we had. Okay, as far as the actual problem here, it's just write a function that would be able to take in a binary tree and check whether it's a binary search tree or not. Again, we're just looking for your code to make sense logically. Maybe think about tree traversals, but just fill out some code below that would look a function something like this, and then in this case, it would return some sort of Boolean true or false, right? Depending if it was a binary search tree or not. All right, with that all being said, best of luck, and in the next lecture, we'll go over the solution to this problem. Thanks, and I'll see you there.